Hello everyone. Today I will teach you a problem on design of a slab type combined rectangular RC footing. Let us start with a question. Design of combined rectangular RC footing for two columns A and B carrying loads of 500 kN and 700 kN respectively. Column A is 300 by 300 mm. Column B is 400 by 400 mm. Center to center spacing of the column is 3.4 meter apart. Safe bearing capacity of soil may be taken as 150 kN per meter square. Use M20 grade concrete and Fe415 grade steel. Now, let us start solving this problem. Before we start solving the problem, let us write down the given data first. Here, a combined rectangular RCC footing is given to you, and the footing carries two columns over it. And the load which is coming from both the columns are given. One is 500 and other is 700 kilonewton. Whereas the size of the columns has been given to you and the spacing between the columns is also given. Now, the safe bearing capacity of the soil over which the footing is resting is also given, which is 150 kilonewton per meter square. And while designing the footing, you have to assume the grade of the concrete which is considered is M20 and Fe415 grade of steel has been considered. Now, the same thing you had to write here. Here, let us consider the size of the column, that is 300 by 300 mm, and the load which is coming over the column A is 500 kilonewton. So, let us consider PAB the load which is coming over the column A, which is 500 kilonewton. Similarly, write down the size of the column B as 400 by 400 mm, and then one more load is acting over the column, that is 700 kilonewton. Let us consider PB be the load which is carried over the column B, which is 700 kilonewton. Now, let us consider small l be the spacing between the columns and the value is 3.4 meter. You just take SBC, whatever the value which is given in the question, that is 150 kilonewton per meter square of value is given, and the grade of the concrete is M20, hence the value of FCK is 20 Newton per mm square, whereas we are using Fe415 grade steel, that's why the value of Fy will be 415 Newton per mm square. Now this is the given data. Now with this data you have to design a rectangular combined footing.